Fabe, welcome to My Moment, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today we're gonna dive in the Mermaid palette. And with the help of the Jaclyn palette by Morphe and also McGrath mini palette, and this is such a beautiful pearls that I have here with metallic looking color. So let's get swimming. First color I'm going in is from the McGrath. It's such a beautiful colors, blue, and this is going to apply in the outer corner first because it's the darkest colors, and I like to apply like a rainbow effect, so we're going to have a different colors in the next layer. Using a different brush, I'm going to pick this color right here from the Jaclyn palette. It's a lighter shade of blue. It's similar to turquoise, and I'm going to color in right here. You don't have to go all the way to your lashes because we're going to cut crease later on, but make sure that you're going to blend two colors together so it have a nice radiance. Next off, I'm going to select this shade of purple. It has metallic silver on it. It's so beautiful and reflective. I'm going to blend it to make sure it's nice transition. Yes, it's oddward colors because I did not really follow the patterns of the rainbow, but whatever you have, try to work it, the colors that you have, instead of going to buy the new palette. I did have to use a different brush every single time I pick up a different colors. For instance, this time is the pink, and this is a lighter shade, so if you want to add more colors, you can definitely pick up more colors and blend it in. I did not want to use the two colors in one brushes because I don't want mix of color. For the inner corners, I'm going to pick up this color from Ofra Nikkietutorials palette, and I'm just pop right in the corner like this. This step is additional if you want to. I see some colors is not blending well, so I'm using a clean brushes to do so. To define my eyebrows, I'm going to use the lighter shade from Jaclyn palette and blend it in under my eyebrow. I'm going to cut crease using this Tarte shape tape. This is in color light neutral. Just go along with your natural line of the crease, or you can actually make it up like what I did because mine is modeled. Using a flat brush, I'm going to select this color's yellow right here, and I'm just going to pop right in the corners of my eyes. I've divided my eyes into 3 sections. So as you can see here, it is going to be yellow, and later I'm going to pick on a different colors. Next off, I'm going to select this color right here from the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to put it on the mid of my lid. And lastly, I'm going to select this darker shade of blue and blend it in. Try to hide the concealers that I just blended in, making sure there's no sharp lines, and just keep blending it until you are satisfied. For the bottom lid, I'm going to select this purple colors, and I'm going to pop right in the corners. And also on the bottom lid, I divide in 2 parts, and now I'm going to add in this color yellow using a detail brushes because that's the easiest method to go, and I'm just going to blend it in, merging with the purple. To finish off, I'm going to draw a cat eye, and as you can see, the ink is super black and very pigmented, and I enjoyed the every strokes that I'm using this pen because it's giving me a consistent. And to complete this look, I need to add some falsy in order to have luxurious eyelashes, and try to put closely to your natural line as possible. I'm going to use the Milani Conceals in Perfect 2-in-1 foundations. What I really like this foundations is have a full coverage. They normally resell this for like $10, so you can definitely get it for like $6, especially during the time that after 21 days of beauty, they usually have a fall sale. So around like a end of September and beginning of August, and you can find it for a good deal like $6. And I really enjoyed this coverage. If you're looking for a full coverage to cover your blemishes, or you want a flawless looking skin, then definitely this is a good product. If you see any makeup on my channels, I guarantee you I don't pay for a full price. I usually wait until it's on sale and then I purchase it. So I usually wait until it's like 20% and up. If you are looking for a if you are looking to buy makeup and you don't have a lot of collections, I do recommend Boxy Charms. To go in there and sign up for $25 subscription, but you get a value of $125. I've been seeing that they pretty much have a high-end products on there, and it's a great quality. I'm just gonna highlight where I need the most, especially right here only. I'm not gonna drag out much, and then just a little bit on my forehead right here. And then I want my chin to light up right here and down here. There we go. And then I'm just targeting the spot right over here to blend it out. And then I'm gradually pushing out to the side like this. I love this method. It's like I have a natural sunlight that hitting upon my face, and I always have that glow. Keep blending in until it's going to merge into your natural skin. Everything is going to be blend and there's no harsh line. Now it's time to contour my nose. I'm using Hoola Benefit. This is a perfect colors that's matched for my skin, and I'm just going to contour my nose, creating a tall bridge that I don't have because my nose is more flattened. So using this technique right here, I can definitely imitate that I have a tall nose. I want to lighten up the edge of my nose, so using this Airspun translucent powder with this Morphe beauty sponge is such a great pair, and I'm just lightening up that area. Instead of contouring my cheekbones with bronzers, I'm going to select this color right here, which is purple. In order to have the scale to show, you have to have a darker colors underneath. So that's why I'm selecting this color right here. Blend until you are satisfied. And by the way, I'm using a large shadow brush in order to blend it out. Pick the colors up as needed. Don't put in too much. Blend it out until it's going to be even. So this method is very similar if I was applying bronzers on my hairline, and so I'm going to color in this part with a shade of purple, blend until I am pleased with it, and keep adding on colors as needed. We don't want too much dark colors at once. I also want to add some fish scales on my neck. That's why I'm going to colors also purple on there, so the color will show later on. So putting on this wig cap is a perfect scale that I'm going to select this dark blue right here, and I'm using a tapping motion to apply it on. Don't try to shift the net around, just try to apply as steady as possible because we want the imprint to show. The next color beside it's going to be this turquoise right here, picking back up from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and using a different brush, using a tapping motion right beside is going to be a great transition of color, and just gently blend it in until you are satisfied. I'm going to apply the same method and technique that I use where I lay the purple colors. Just go ahead and using a tapping motion and apply the colors on top of that area. It's definitely going to show. You don't want to add too much colors in one place. Just go ahead and blend it out because it's going to show much better. As far for the fishnet, there is many types that you can use. Either it's going to be a tight sock, or this instant I'm using head cap because I see this is going to be a perfect ideal for this method. But you can actually select whatever is convenient for you, whatever you have at home. What I noticed that in order to create a perfect scale is that you are going to blend it in different area, not all one area at a time. So keep blending in like this, because if you packing too much colors in one area, the scale patterns won't show at all. In order to complete this look, we cannot forget about adding some highlighters. I'm using Ofra Nikkietutorials highlighters, and I'm going to pop right there. As you can see, it's so reflective and amazing, and I enjoyed this highlighter so much, and adding some random place just enhanced the look. Let's add some pink lipstick. I'm using this Revlon Ultra HD. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing matte colors. This will stay all day, plus it smells great, and I love to apply this every time when I get the chance to use it. I cannot forget to add diamond and pearls on my forehead. So here it is, and I'll be right back with my wig. Thank you so much for swimming with me through this journey, and also there's another 2 adventure waiting for you to click on. I hope you found this video helpful. Also, subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.